Whether you like it or not, Bluetooth earphones are here to stay. At this point, they are a necessity unless you want to live a life stumbling over dongles. Both Apple and Google have done away with the 3.5mm headphone jack, and it wouldn't be a surprise to see Samsung do away with it in the next S phone. If you are looking for a good pair of wireless earbuds, it's kind of confusing as there are a lot of options available in the market. So today let's try to solve this problem by having a look at the U-ROKs truly wireless earbuds. Also, we are giving away a pair of them, so stay tuned till the end of the video for more information. So without any further ado, let's get started. To be honest with you guys, I am not an audiophile and usually I would settle for anything that can help me watch videos and play music. But switching on to a wireless earbuds entirely changed my personal audio experience, and now I am never gonna go back to my wired past. So let's talk about the U-ROK truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. In the box we get a small carrying pack, the earbuds with the charging case, a power adapter, a micro USB cable, some extra ear tips and the usual paperwork. Talking about the design and the build quality, the U-ROK wireless earbuds comes in a nice and small charging case. The top of the case is translucent, which shows the LED indicators in the earbuds. The design of the earbuds are very good and look so dope with the LED rings on both the earbuds. Now, what about the build quality? Well, they are not the most well-built earphones out there, but it's not poor either. The earphones and the charging case are made up of strong plastic. The earphones are IP65 water and sweat resistant, and so you can use it while you are working out. And it can even handle light splashes of water. It's a great addition considering the price. In the box, it comes with 3 different sizes of ear tips, and no matter what, these earphones will fit you. The earphones doesn't come off your ears easily and stays there even when you're running. It stays there and doesn't stick out of the ear so much like some other wireless earbuds. One downside is that in the initial days, using them for a long time did start to ache, but casual use doesn't cause any problems. Now, let's talk about the sound quality. The U-ROK truly wireless earbuds comes with dual 10mm hi-fi stereo drivers with a frequency response of 20Hz to 20,000 Hz. This gives a fairly wide soundstage. The lows and the mids sound very good with a nice bass and treble. The sound resolution and detail was very much apparent in the mids, and all sounds were distinguishable and crisp. In the highs, that's where you will start to notice some noise and distortions in the audio. There is some amount of passive noise isolation being an in-ear earphone. The earbuds are able to take phone calls as well, but I noticed that when the person on the other side speaks, it's only audible in the right ear. The microphone quality is average and picks up a lot of background noise. The earbuds sync very easily by just touching them for 3 to 4 seconds, and there is no apparent delay in the audio output and the video. Both the earbuds comes with touch controls and it's very easy to use them. Single touches pause or plays music, double tap skip the tracks, and triple tap activates Google Assistant or Siri. There is also a voice prompt for connection status and battery level. Talking about the battery life, both the earbuds have a battery capacity of 50 mAh each, and like all the truly wireless earbuds, they comes in a charging case with a capacity of 800 mAh. So, when you are not using the earbuds, store them away in the case and press the charging button. Now the case will recharge your earphones up to 8 times from a dead battery. The earbuds last up to 2.5 hours to 3 hours of playback and has a very good standby time. The earbuds comes with Bluetooth 4.2 technology and has a direct range of about 10 meters. I found that sometimes the left earbuds gets disconnected while moving around. This is a serious problem even when I am in the 10-meter range of my smartphone, but it only happens once or twice a day. Another deal breaker is use of micro USB port instead of Type-C considering the price. Most flagships these days comes with USB Type-C cables, and it would have been better to include the Type-C port for charging the earphones. The U-ROK truly wireless earbuds cost around $60 on Amazon, and I will leave the best buy link in the description below. So overall, the U-ROK truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds are a good choice for the price, and I really recommend them for anyone looking for a good wireless Bluetooth earphones. And for the note, this is not a sponsored video. I have tested them for about 4 days and they were really good, with the only downsides being rare connection problems, distortions at high volumes and exclusion of USB Type-C port. Now let's talk about the giveaway. I am giving away this U-ROK truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds for you guys for helping me reach 1000 subscribers. To enter the giveaway, all you got to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, and also leave a comment on this video saying which personal audio device you are using. Also leave your Instagram and Twitter handles down there. The giveaway will end on 15th of July and the winner will be chosen randomly from the comment section. So that's it guys. If you like my video, give us a thumbs up, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and tap on the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.